Hello, I am really excited to let you know about my next webinars. I'm going to be running them fortnightly. So instead of running three a week every 6 weeks, I'm going to be running one 90-minute session every 2 weeks. So the second and last Tuesday evenings of the month. So they're starting at 8 o'clock and going on till 9:30. And the reason for this, I wanted to change the format a little bit because I want us to be able to go a little bit deeper into each topic. And the first one on July the 23rd is leadership style. We've covered it before. It covers lots of different aspects. It could be authenticity. It could be, how do you see yourself? What are your values? But in that 90 minutes, we'll be able to dive into your sort of specific leadership challenges. And we'll use, as usual, a combination of mindfulness and a traditional coaching model. But also this extra time will give us a bit more time to use some workshop activities, whether it's breakouts or some journaling or maybe even a game, depending on the topic and what feels right at the time. So really excited, and I really look forward to seeing you there. I've already got quite a lot of registrations already, so getting quick. I've currently got 25 spaces, but I will open it up to more if there's enough interest. So let me know if you have any questions, and as usual, the link is on Eventbrite, and you'll find it in the comments or in my bio on Instagram.